Hey everyone, did you know that your mindset plays a crucial role in building wealth? That's right, the way you think about money can either propel you to financial success or keep you stuck in a cycle of scarcity. Let's dive into the power of mindset. First, embrace a growth mindset. Believe that you can learn and grow your financial skills. Understand that mistakes are opportunities to learn and improve. Next, develop a positive relationship with money. See it as a tool that can create opportunities and freedom, not something to be feared or obsessed over. Set clear, achievable financial goals. Visualize yourself achieving these goals and plan the steps needed to get there. This will keep you motivated and focused. Surround yourself with positive influences. Follow financial experts, join communities of like-minded individuals, and read books that inspire and educate you about wealth. Practice gratitude. Appreciate what you have now while striving for more. This shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's possible. Take action. Even the best mindset won't lead to wealth without action. Implement what you learn. Take calculated risks and stay persistent. Lastly, celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and reward yourself for milestones achieved, no matter how small. This reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. Remember, wealth is not just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about having the freedom and peace of mind to live life on your terms. Subscribe for more tips on developing a wealth-building mindset, and let's achieve financial success together.